Welcome to Artavia. I'm Brittany Bush.
And I'm Kevin Jackson, and we are the sales team with David Weekley Homes.
In these changing times, we wanted to let you know that we're still open for business, and we're excited to visit with you.
We are working very hard to finish up our amazing 13-acre community complex that sits on a 5-acre lake. There you will find amenities for kids, adults, and the whole family. Currently, we have 3 quick move-in homes available. All 3 are the most popular plan, the Augustine. At just under 3,100 square feet, we have 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage.
At 15330 Garnet Groves Drive, you have beautiful sliding glass doors that lead to your extended covered patio and a rainhead super shower in your owner's retreat. It's priced at $370,500. At 15321 Garnet Groves Drive, you'll find stunning ceiling beams and a large soaking tub in your owner's retreat. It's priced at $380,500. Finally, 15301 Garnet Groves Drive sits on our largest home site with an outdoor living space ready to host the neighborhood pool party. It's priced at just $390,500.
If you close on one of our quick move-in homes by June 30th with our preferred lenders, we will pay your closing costs.
If one of our quick move-in homes doesn't fit you perfectly, we're always happy to build your dream from the ground up. We hope to see you soon.